Starting with our exhaust gear, and then our intake gear, we'll run the bolts in by hand. Next, I'm going to mark our gears for a better visual. Of course, we can't forget our cam gear. That one lines up with that dot right there. And then this little one here at the bottom will line up with our cams. Just getting the balance shaft tensioner all snug. We can see that our timing marks line up properly. Now we're just going to pull our pin to release tension on our chain. Next, I'm going to fit my chain with the marks. Fit my timing chain on the cams. There we go. Now we need to get it onto our crank gear, which we have right here. There we go. Then we want to fit our guides. Right at the bottom here. I'm going to get this intake cam to 11 o'clock position and then get our second guide in. I have my second guard held in, but it's trying to jump timing right now, so I need to back off a bit and rotate our cam just here to 11 o'clock and then get our tensioner here in. So now I've got my timing chain tensioner in slightly, and it looks like we're still in timing right there and right there. So now, of course, we can't forget to check the crankshaft. So we're still in timing there. Our balance shaft is still in timing as well. Our chain does seem like it needs some tension. So what we're going to do is we're going to adjust our cam a pinch like so, and then we're going to release our tensioner. Our tensioner pin has been pulled, and now we can see that we have tension and we are still in timing. So we have all our timing marks lined up. So we're just going to rotate the engine to see if our timing marks will still line up. Alright, so our engine has been manually rotated, and as we can see, our intake cam lines up and our exhaust cam lines up. Our crankshaft is pointing towards our dot, and we are at that dead center. We can see the dowel as well. Every Nissan techs know that you'll never get the balance shaft pump to line up again. As long as your crank is lined up with your cams, you should be totally fine.